Studios. Alright, this was my first day of my new challenge with Take Profit Trader. As you see from the thumbnail, I made profit today. This is just my film study so I can basically build off the top of what I'm doing. I got a video that I'm going to release with my profit challenge that's planned. This right here. I have a plan for this challenge. So yeah, I'm taking a more of a strategic approach with this one. I went through my previous trade journals and basically trying to just put everything together from my wins and from when I passed evaluations, been funded and withdrew. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into it. From looking at it, it looks like I marked the demand zone. The way price came down in this fast as it left, I marked it on the 5 minute, and I moved up to what this is, but 60 minute, I believe, and I guess it kind of confirmed my suspicion about the time frame. I did check the news that day too, and it wasn't really nothing significant that would affect the market. So I go ahead and cut that part out of this video. And like I said, I will make a video in the future going over the news. I just wanted to add that in. I got in right here on a buy for a couple reasons. I mean, in the past it hurt me. Like, this just going straight down. I tried to catch a falling knife on a reversal and it just kept on going. But this chart down here price broke through. It's really kind of hard to see, but it broke through this resistance and it retested, and then it closed up here, and the next one opened up here. And also price right here on the open is above, it's above the open, and it appears like it's about to close over. So it looks like we found the floor. So I got in with a 4-tick stop loss, and let's just watch how it plays out. Alright, I did go against one of my rules. I added under the price. I was moving towards my stop loss, and I added one. But I mean, it doesn't look like we're coming down. I'm gonna stay on camera so we can watch this play out. Cause I kind of like this range that it was in, and we didn't create a lower low. That's why I got in right here, because it was a higher low. See, I just marked it. Alright, let's let it play out. Wicks like this is what I want to see when I'm bullish or before I go bullish. Like this zone right here, it didn't even come back down to it, but this is where the buyers were before, and this is where they started pushing up again. Just gonna watch it and let it continue to play out. Stop loss is under this wick. Okay, so the order got filled. As you see, since I got in around a little bit after 8:22, it finished about 9:02. So about 40 minutes, and it was creating higher lows since I got in. Higher low here, higher low here, and eventually we got there. 1-to-1. Wasn't the odds that I would want, but a 1-to-1 is better than a 1-to-2 or any negative risk and reward ratio. But yeah, we got in around this candle. It was doing its thing, came back down, and it got up there. It was a 2-contract trade for 4 ticks. In our next trade, I sat on the sidelines for a little while, so I'm gonna speed it up until we get to that next trade. And I believe on this next trade, I only used 1 contract. So yeah, let's get into it. I feel like this was the most patient I've ever been. I sat on the sidelines for a while. As you see, it's 9:32, and I'm still not in a trade. I'm working up the charts. I had to jump ahead because it was just a lot of me just sitting and waiting and watching. Yeah, I'm still not in a trade yet, but I just paused it to let you know, like, I was really patient this day, and good thing come to those who plan and wait. I got into a bound here, but it appeared to be like a bear flag forming. So I don't know if I ended up staying in a buy or if I counted this as a breakout right here. But I'm a little bit confused also. The price did come up here to visit this area. This is where price opened that day, so we're actually bearish on the day. This one right here, we're above our opening price. This is the 30-minute chart. My patterns don't usually really hold up on a 30-minute chart. But yeah, I see I drew like a bear flag, or that price would come down here to bounce. So let's just see how this trade played out. Gotta move my stop loss away. So this is another rule break. That's 2 rule breaks on a day. Alright, right now this trade is at the negative. I'm risking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ticks to get 3. I'm not proud of this. I believe I ended up switching it around. Like, I think I do move it up to 4 and back to 1 to 1, but what it's looking at right now, like my stop loss should have been like solidified at 30, below this 31, because price kept bouncing off of it. I just didn't want to. In the past, I had a stop loss too tight and I got stopped out. So that just always plays in the back of my mind, but I got to get out of that. Once I set a stop loss, the only way I can move it is towards my break even or profit target. So I got to stop moving it away. Regardless, once you set the trade, I set it. But all right, back to it. See, I moved my stop loss up. And then I tried to move it back, and that thing got hit. But then again, I ended up breaking a rule, another rule, third rule. So it was on 300 push-ups. I got right back into a trade. But I wouldn't say this was revenge trading. I feel like I'm in the right here because I had my stop loss too tight. I moved it up too soon. And I'm still based off of the fact that this is a higher low. We didn't crack it here. Right, it was the same high. This still looks like this looks bearish. The way that this came down, and this right here is red. But I didn't give up yet with support being held here. I'm surprised. Matter of fact, I did add more. This is 2 contracts right here. So let's watch how it plays out. You see I moved my profit target up 1 tick because I had it at 06 and I moved it down to 05. My risk to reward wasn't positive, but the trade wasn't perfect, and I got in and got out. And that was all for this trading day. I think I ended up showing what I profited. Yeah, my gross profit was $437.50. This was the first day of the evaluation, and we made away without a scratch. Man, can't be mad at that day. Yeah, man, like I got a lot to work on as far as my discipline and me seeing trades all the way through, me moving my stop loss. Me identifying the direction of the trends. I think I did pretty good today, but I was in the range, and I feel like first trade was better than my last 2 trades, but overall today was profitable. I ain't gonna say it was a success, but it was profitable, and we're 1 step closer towards completing this evaluation. Thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.